Here we have a 2018 18-plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.2. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 18-inch Ford alloy wheels. Now the diamond cuts are the grey and silver. I do have the Autotrader tyres all round. We have your bonnet bar just there with your racing stripes up top and on the bonnet. You have the lower bash bar with the light bar just in there as well, with the Raptor Star front grille, which is with the orange accents, which just look absolutely incredible. You can see the new number plate with the RS car sales on there as well. Now we do have the wide arch kit fitted to this vehicle. These really does make this car stand out from the rest, as well as the front end, with the side steps on either side, WILDTRAK decals on either side there as well. We do have your parking sensors with rear reversing camera. We also have your tow and eye and tow bar just there as well. For your electrics, you have the racing shaft continues down there. Looking into the back, you do have the bed just there. Popping that back down. You also have tailgate opens there as well. Stepping back, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle, especially in the sunlight. This orange paintwork does really pop. We have your privacy glass on the rear with your black window trim, and also you have your wind deflectors on the front. Looking in the back, you do have your half leather and half fabric seats throughout, with the ISOFIX points, pull down armrest, and storage behind the passenger and the driver's seat with 12-volt connectivity in the centre. You have your electric windows on the doors. Go to the front. There's a look at the driver's front seat. Now the driver is electrically adjustable. Both front seats are heated, so if there's cold winter mornings, the radiators make the difference. Again, half leather and half fabric with your WILDTRAK just stitched in over there. Electric windows, carbon fibre look trim. Jumping inside of the vehicle, just down here we have your auto lights. We have your switch for the light bar just there as well. We also have your wing mirrors, power folding wing mirrors just there. Foot on the brake and turn the key. The vehicle will then start. You have your multifunction steering wheel with your cruise control and speed limiter just there. Now the vehicle has done just over 36,830 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Go to the screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You also have your audio connectivity, so you do have your FM, AM, DAB, CD and also Bluetooth audio. You have a climate control up here as well as down there. Your Bluetooth phone connectivity, your navigation, your mobile apps. And you go to settings, you can scroll across. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto fitted to this vehicle. You also have your ambient license settings just there. Pop the car into reverse, you have your rear reversing camera with your rear parking sensors. Again, coming down here, you have your dual zone climate control with your 2 heated front seats. So again, for those cold winter mornings, it really does make a difference. You have your heated front windscreen, so when the windscreen is frosted, press that button and within minutes it'll be defrosted. 2 12-volt connectivity, 2 USB, track control on and off, downhill ascent assist, 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high and also 4-wheel drive low. 2 nice size cup holders, soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath, and there's a look at the passenger's front seat. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free consultation while next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT and we do offer competitively finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this 2018 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.2. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm not fat with steering wheel 2 key pins in a straight line. It's not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. You do have a multi-function steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter onto the right hand side. Now I'm going to take a left at the roundabout as you would if you were test driving this vehicle today. Now we do have the gear stick down here when you can push to your right and you can do it's in manual mode. So you push down to go down and pull up to go up. So I'm currently in 2nd gear, up to 3rd, into 4th, into 5th, push back to the left and it goes back into normal driving automatic mode. Now I do have the dial in the centre of the dashboard and also on the right and the left hand side you do have 2 screens which you can control from the sides over here. Now on the right hand side you can have all your driving information such as your fuel level and also your current speedo, so your current miles an hour. Then on the left hand side you have your entertainment navigation and phone. Now to the screen in the centre we have your satellite navigation. We have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity. We also have DAB radio and also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now pop it into reverse, you do have your rear reversing camera and also your rear parking sensors. Now just down here on a little switch hanging down, you do have your little light bar which is connected to your front bash bar. Nice little addition to have on this vehicle. We do have your dual zone climate control, 2 heated front seats, so for those cold winter mornings really does make all of the difference. Now I do have very comfortable seats throughout this vehicle. They are the half leather and half fabric. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you will listen out for any haunted knocks or bangs. If we listen out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any. So right now we're going to industrial estate, I'm going to take a right, we're going to perform a major stop, pop it straight into reverse, and you'll see it pop up on the centre screen, the rear reversing camera, and I'll show you the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to. So emergency stop in 3, 2, 1, hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever, and the little key's just down there, so you hear a little scrape forward, just a key in the glove compartment. Back in drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me in this walk around video and test drive. I'll hear from you soon. Cheers.